Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is very special, especially for those who truly love classic Japanese vehicles. Because today, I'm going to show you a real legend, Toyota Hilux Pickup, 1980 model, powered by a 1600cc petrol engine, and the most important thing is, this pickup is in 100% genuine, original company condition. Friends, this is not an ordinary Hilux. Finding a pickup like this today is extremely rare. This vehicle is still in its original factory paint. There is no repaint, no color touch-up, and no modification at all. The color you are seeing right now is the original company color, which clearly shows how carefully this pickup has been maintained over the years. Now let's talk about the heart of this pickup, the engine. This Hilux comes with a 1600cc petrol engine, which is well known for its reliability, smooth performance, and long life. The engine is completely sealed and healthy. No smoke, no oil leakage, and no unusual noise. The pickup starts easily in a single self-start, which proves the engine is still in excellent condition. If we talk about the body condition, this pickup is truly impressive. There is no rust, no welding, no cuts or alterations. The chassis is straight and original, which clearly indicates that this vehicle has never been involved in any major accident. This is exactly what collectors and genuine buyers look for. Small blue diamond emoji. The pickup is fitted with brand new tires, giving excellent road grip and a confident driving feel. The suspension system is also in great shape. The leaf springs are strong, and the pickup remains stable even under load. Whether you drive it on city roads or rural areas, the ride feels solid and reliable. Small blue diamond emoji. Interior condition from the inside. The vehicle is clean and original. The seats, dashboard, and meter cluster are all in original condition, with no unnecessary modifications. This originality greatly increases the value of the vehicle. Small blue diamond emoji. Driving this classic Hilux is a completely different experience. The steering feels strong and connected, gear shifting is smooth, and the pickup stays well balanced on the road. This is a vehicle for people who truly understand old-school Japanese engineering and durability. This Toyota Hilux is perfect for classic vehicle collectors, old-model Japanese pickup lovers, rural and off-road use, people who want a strong, reliable, and timeless pickup. This is not just a pickup, it's a piece of history. Friends, finding a 1980 Toyota Hilux in 100% genuine condition is extremely difficult nowadays. This pickup is not only valuable, but it's also a true example of Toyota's legendary quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below to tell us what you think about this classic Hilux. See you in the next video with another amazing vehicle. Thanks for watching.